Hello everyone, we are Group 3. We are low-cost model and at first we selected competitive routes like Berlin to London and Berlin to Frankfurt, which caused losses. Later we shifted to less crowded routes like Boston to Los Angeles and Istanbul to Tel Aviv, improving results. Our fleet includes 9 aircraft with an average age of 4.44 years, ensuring modern efficient operations. We had losses until quarter 6 with the worst in quarter 4. In quarter 7 and 8, we turned a profit up to $18.31 million. Margins were deeply negative, hitting minus 217% in quarter 4. Recovery began in quarter 6, reaching 15% by quarter 8. Income stayed flat early on but surged from quarter 6 onward, reflecting better pricing and cost control. On-time performance improved from quarter 4, peaking at 90.6% in quarter 5 and remaining stable. Rose from 43% in quarter 6 to 61% in quarter 8, showing better aircraft use. We recovered after quarter 4, reaching 15% in quarter 7. Our repeat rose every quarter, peaking at over 708 million in quarter 8. We hit zero emissions in several periods and kept the lowest total at 12.4 tons among all airlines. Our airline has produced the lowest amount of total carbon emissions with only 12.4 tons compared to other airlines. In 2025, we earned 72 million in quarter 4 and 58 million in quarter 3. Losses in 2024 peaked at 3.88 million. We improved emissions, optimized flights, and adjust pricing, but early routes and schedule mistakes hurt performance. We chose crowded routes early on and didn't use transfers. Round-trip only flights kept planes idle and limited revenue. Despite early setbacks, we recovered strongly and prioritized sustainability. Thank you. We are happy to take your question.